Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on flash for calls on iPhone. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. What this means is that when someone calls you, your flashlight will go and start flashing on the back of your phone. It's really useful for going and notifying you. It also will apply to other notifications as well. So to go and get started, you just need to go and open up the settings app. Now what you can do is scroll down until you see the option for accessibility, just click it. After that, just scroll down into the section called hearing, just click on audio and visual, scroll down for the last time, click on to LED flash for alerts. After that, just go and switch it on. So that's it, that is how to turn on flash for calls on iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.